Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, and my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything we can get our hands on. So today, I'm going to do the Plouise budget box. Now, this is from the UK, and I wanted to try it a couple times just to see what it's like, see if it's worth it to have it shipped over here. So when you open it, it's going to look like this. Now, this one, I'm going to have to add it on the screen because I can't quite remember how much it is right now. But this has double the amount of stuff it's supposed to. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but perfect for me. So we're going to just dive right in and we'll check it out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 palettes, which is insane. So I'm really hoping all 4 are exactly the same. So I'm just going to dive in and open them all up, and we can see how many we have that are the same, and hopefully we have some different ones. Now these are cute because they have little mirrors that light up. That's different. There's one out of the box. 2. I'm getting fast at these now. I said that, now I'm lying. That's 3. And 4. Now, Plouise, this is their January box. So the way they do it is they send out on the last day of the month is when they, they make the box. So I mean, they send it like the first week of the next month. So this is January's box. So I just got it today, and I'm in Canada, so it takes a little bit longer, obviously, to get it from the UK. So they do send it out the first week in February. So here we have the first one. And it does have a little mirror inside as well. Ooh, dropping stuff. And this is the one we have. So I'm just going to leave it open to compare. Okay, and this is the second one. Now it looks almost the same. Some shades are just slightly different. So that's 2 different ones so far. And this one's a repeat. And this one's a repeat. So we got 2 repeat ones. So I can put those back in the box and I can do a giveaway, or I can give them away. Whichever. Now these do come with little brushes. So this is the one. It's a double-ended. It's like a packing end and then the blender brush. And the other one, I mean, it's almost the same palette, but the brushes are different colors on the ends. So the hair on the synthetic hair. So that's our first 2 items. So kind of neat. So moving along. So Plouise, they always have such cute packaging. So here we have double-ended liners. Now they look like different shades slightly. So I'm just gonna dive into these. Maybe. Okay, interesting. So let's say winging it. So I'm wondering if it's got like the wing stamp on one side. All right, so this is one of them. So they are definitely different colors. Oh. It's really liquidy. So I'm just going to do some swatches on my hand. And they are brush tip. Okay. Now that's the 4 of them there. I mean, it gives you lots of different colors, but how many liquid liners do you need in varying shades of brown? That's what you're going to have to ask yourself. Now, I mean, I've never used a brown liner, but I will try and we'll see what happens. So, I mean, so you got basically 4 liquid liners with these 2. And let's do these. So here we got some Nippy Pencils. So they are in the shade Masterpiece and Love Cycle. So let's go with Love Cycle first. Again, really cute packaging. Basic pink. I love pink over at Plouise. So it is actually like a pencil. But it is nice and creamy. So it's easy to roll on. And yeah, brown burgundy kind of mix. Not a bad color. And the next one, it looks like just brown. Yeah, it's more like a deep brown. So it's 2 top ones there. And that's the next 2 items. So. And next we have Ultra Thick High Shine Formula Lip Gloss. And this one is in the shade Thank You Next. I feel like they stole this from the Ariana Grande song. Pretty sure she had one named that. All right. Wow, very pigmented. So this was the Thank You Next. And we're going to try Good Intentions next. This is our last item. It's kind of sad. This one looks like to be more orange. Maybe the package is wrong. No, that's definitely a nude color. And that's the second one. I mean, I can't wear nudes. They like wash me out. I don't even have a mirror. I'm just looking at the phone. Oh, wait, I have one here. Very sticky formula. But, I mean, it doesn't really look like I'm wearing anything. So, I mean, if that's what you're going for, that's this. Oh. So that's all we have for today for Plouise. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you want me to try out a different subscription box or mystery box, and I will try my best to get it. Hit the notification bell so next time we have a video, it'll pop right up.